Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Wanted to shoot out a quick tool announcement video to you guys. Noticed today that the Klein Tools is now offering two different size shafts for the flip socket. You can get the 3-inch, which is part number 32766, and then the 5-inch, which is 32767, or both of them together in this set that's on Amazon is 32768. I'm going to go ahead and order one of these, but wanted to get it out to you guys. Looks like it only comes with the 5/16 and the 1/4 inch, but I'm sure you can put the other sizes on there. It doesn't say in here, but it's the same impact rated, so it's going to have the same shaft on the end, so it should take those other sockets. So for those of you who had watched the Malco and the Klein Tools interchangeable video, you know we were wanting some shorter shafts to work with those sockets, but we lost the magnet function. Well, now you have the option here with these to be able to get those different sizes, the 3-inch and the 5-inch. Amazon's the only place I've seen them so far, but I'll put a link in the description for there. But those are the part numbers. You might can search and find them somewhere else. But just wanted to get out to you guys real quick. I hope that you have a blessed day. See you guys on the next video.